Hi guys, this is Paul. My pleasure to see you. Today, I am going to share some tips that facilitate your English learning. Many people are struggling to learn English, but the truth is that the success comes from a good direction and your efforts or your will. Let's take a look to see these ideas to make your learning easier and faster. Number 1, set realistic goals. Don't try to learn everything at once. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. Number 2, find a learning method that works for you. There are many different ways to learn English. Some people prefer to take classes, while others prefer to learn online or through self-study. Experiment with different methods until you find one that you enjoy and that helps you make progress. Number 3, be consistent with your studies. The key to learning any language is to practice regularly. Try to set aside some time each day to study English, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Number 4, immerse yourself in the language. One of the best ways to learn English is to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. This means surrounding yourself with English speakers and listening to English as much as you can. You can do this by watching English movies and TV shows, listening to English music, or reading English books and articles. Number 5, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning a new language. The important thing is to not let your mistakes discourage you. Just keep practicing and you'll eventually get better. Number 6, have fun. Learning a new language should be enjoyable. If you're not having fun, you're less likely to stick with it. So find ways to make learning English fun for you, whether it's listening to your favorite English songs, watching your favorite English TV shows, or chatting with English speakers online. Apart from these 6 tips, you may find it helpful with some additional comments. Use a variety of resources. There are many different resources available to help you learn English. You can find books, websites, apps, and even online courses. Experiment with different resources until you find ones that you like. Find a language partner. One of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills is to find a language partner. This is someone who is fluent in English and who is willing to help you practice speaking the language. You can find language partners online or through local language schools. Don't give up. Learning a new language takes time and effort. There will be times when you feel frustrated or discouraged. I hope these tips help you on your journey to learning English. Hope you succeed. CYA